guys, I've got a TV here that I'm going to take a look at, and we'll see if we can get it going. It's a Panasonic. It's a DLP set. This is from 2007. It's a 61-inch PT 61 DLX76. And what the symptom is that the projection light does not strike. It was given to me, and the person who gave it to me said, "Oh, the bulb was burnt out." But I don't think that that's the case, because the error code that is flashing, the lamp light is normally supposed to flash twice or light solid if the lamp has failed. In this case, the lamp light is just blinking once every 5 seconds. And to me, that screams ballast all over it. So we have the back off this beast, and now I got to look around in here and find out where the ballast is. Interesting. This is the first of these sets. I've never had one of these ones open before, so I kind of have to look. And unfortunately, my shop is full. I have a plasma all in pieces in my shop, so I'm working on this one in my living room. I don't have a lot of room in here. I got a fan over on this side, and I'm feeling the ballast is going to be in here somewhere. So we gotta do a bit more of a disassembly on this thing to see what's going on. Maybe I can take this piece out and try and locate the ballast. Shouldn't be too hard to find. It's going to be the ones with the big high voltage wires coming off it, heading down to the lamp, which is actually in the front of this TV. Power supply board is released. Here's our high voltage wire, so that obviously is the ballast inside here, right in behind this fan that I took out. So we're going to examine the ballast here. I noticed that there's a little sticker here that says F001, 117 degrees Celsius, 242.6 degrees Fahrenheit. So I guess there's a thermal fuse in here somewhere. So first thing we're going to do is we're going to check the thermal fuse. I got to find it, but there's a thermal fuse in here, and we're going to check that first, and then we're going to check to see if we're getting our supply voltages into the ballast and see what's going on inside this bad boy. And hopefully it's something simple like a capacitor or something that's failed, because I've noticed that this assembly is now discontinued and you can't buy it from Panasonic anymore, which is one of the reasons I've begun to hate Panasonic, because once the warranty is done, they have no interest in supporting any of their products. And as soon as their warranty is done, they're done as far as they're concerned. This TV is obviously owned by a smoker. Look at all the dust and dirt in here. It's just disgusting. I should point out that this video was recorded about 2 years ago, and while I was doing the video, I had a bad memory card and I lost a lot of the files. I lost the finished product here from this camera. What the problem in this set turned out to be is right in the center of the screen, just to the left, you'll see the little thermal cutout hanging there, and that thermal cutout was ultimately the fault with the set. What caused the problem was the original owner of the set bought an aftermarket lamp and installed an aftermarket lamp which was the wrong size, and what it did was it overheated, and that caused the thermal cutout to trip. Once replacing the thermal cutout, the set operated, but it was overheating, so ultimately I had to replace the lamp with a proper lamp, and that solved the problem on this set. Unfortunately, I don't have any video of the completion because my memory card went bad, but the fault on the set turned out to be an incorrect lamp was installed, and it caused that thermal cutout to fail. Once replacing the thermal cutout in the lamp, the television worked fine. We were able to get it out the door and get it sold. Hope you enjoyed this one. I was debating whether I should publish this video or not because I didn't have completed video, but what the heck. This is a good reason why you should always use the OEM replacement lamps for your DLP sets. This is the second such set where someone's used an aftermarket lamp and it's caused problems. The first one was, actually this was the first one. The second one that I saw with an aftermarket lamp, the heat from the lamp actually caused the color wheel to shatter, and that set ended up going to the scrap heap because not only did it need a lamp, it also needed a color wheel. So that one ended up not being repaired. Hope you enjoyed this video, and we'll catch you again in another one.